Hello, good morning everybody. It is Monday, December 7th, and it's officially Vlogmas Day 7. The last 2 days were a bit whack, as you guys saw in the last vlog, and if you haven't seen it, go check out Vlogmas Day 5 and 6. They're in one video because something crazy happened this weekend. But it's fine, we're back to normal, and today is a grind day. So today I really have to work on an exam that I have due tonight. It's my last big assignment. It's my last assignment of this semester, and once it's done, then I'm done. I'm excited for that. So I really have to sit down and grind on that today because I didn't have the last 2 days to be able to do it. So that's the majority of today. I'm gonna do some other things. I'm hoping to maybe make some Christmas cookies or get some painting done or work on some gifts that I have to do. Right now I need to clean my room because she's kind of, it doesn't look like it, but she's kind of a mess, and I can't work in a space that's messy. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean my room and then get to studying. If you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can see me every day until Christmas. I'm doing Vlogmas this year, as you see. And comment down below something. Comment down below your favorite Christmas related food, whether it's candy or cookies or something you eat at Christmas dinner. Comment something yummy. Like this video too. That would be appreciated, but I'm gonna clean my room and I will see you guys in a little bit. The room is clean and my space is set up. I'm gonna be using my computer. I lit a candle. I have water and coffee, my planner. Everything is pretty much set up for me to go ahead and start this exam. So I'm gonna go start it. It's not a normal exam. It's like a case study type exam. So I just have to do a lot of research. It's counted as an exam grade, but it's not really like a sit down exam. Not too worried, but it's gonna take me a while. So I'm gonna sit down and do this now, and then I will see you guys when I take a break. Guys, it's officially 7 o'clock at night and I just finished my exam. It took me so long, like my back and my neck hurt so bad, but it's done and I'm officially halfway through my senior year of college, which means I'm only 1 semester away from being a nurse, which is literally insane. It wasn't a hard exam, like the questions were fairly easy, just really time consuming, like having to research the questions and making sure I had enough information for her liking, but it's submitted, so we'll see what I end up getting. This test determines whether I make Dean's List or the honors list and my GPA like going up, so I'm really hoping that I get a good grade. I have to get at least an 85 for my grade in my class to go up to a B+, which will increase my GPA. So we'll see if it happens. I'm really excited, but now I can do some fun stuff maybe tonight, get some stuff done. I was kind of expecting myself to be working on this until like literally late at night, but now I can edit the vlog tonight. Maybe I'll do something else fun in this vlog considering it's pretty boring so far. So I'm gonna go down and eat dinner now, and then maybe we'll do something creative. All right, I'm back from dinner and I think I'm gonna do some crafting with Carol. So hashtag crafting with Carol. Yeah, that's that. So you guys are gonna watch that next. officially sleepy time according to this one. But also according to me, it's 11 o'clock at night now. So I just finished crafting some things and I really wish I could show you guys, but they're for friends and family that I know watch my vlogs, so I don't want to show you guys until obviously I give them to them for Christmas. Yeah, I've been making a lot of stuff this year, which makes me happy because they're very like designed for each person's. Those are for my friends, so I can't show you, but I wish I could. But I got some stuff done, which makes me feel accomplished. A very busy day. Sorry it wasn't like super exciting, but some of these days are just gonna be like that because we're in quarantine and I'm also trying to just bust out some stuff. I can't do fun stuff every day. If you want to see more exciting days, you should definitely subscribe to my channel because I am vlogging every day until Christmas, which I say all the time. But do it. I guess that's it, guys. Hope y'all had a good day. Like this video, comment down below, do whatever you want to do. But I appreciate you and I hope you're having a good Christmas season. And good luck to all of the college students that are about to take finals because I know those shiz are hard. So good luck to you. Kick booty. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.